Hello friends and greetings from Iceland, greetings from Stokes area, Lighthouse, that's where we are. We are right next to the Atlantic Ocean. Let's take a look at the lava which erupted 6,000 years ago from Bardarbunga volcano. We'll zoom in into this lava, see how many crystals it has, big chunks of crystals. This was the biggest lava flow ever since the end of IceAge in Iceland, and this lava traveled here over 100 kilometers to reach the ocean. Look at this piece. It looks like almost like gold in the lava. Big chunks of crystals, yellow crystals, kind of yellowish ones. Olivine, I think it's olivine. Yeah, all this coastline here is full of those lava pieces from Bardarbunga volcanic system. Not really Bardarbunga volcano precisely, but Bardarbunga volcanic system. Yeah, here you can see that also. I took a drone with me and I'll show you this lava from the area, and we will also take a look on the map what was really happening here. This was by far the biggest lava flow in Europe in the past 6 or 9,000 years. Yeah, I'm walking on that lava right now. You see. Let's take a look at the map of this lava field in eruption. Lava originated from those black dots here at Vatna Öldur, which belong to the Bardarbunga volcanic system. Bardarbunga volcano, where we had a lot of earthquakes recently. Same volcanic system, but it's slightly to the east of the glacier where the Bardarbunga crater is under the glacier of Vatnajökull, but this is slightly to the edge, to the eastern side of that volcanic system. So it traveled along the riverbeds all the way to the ocean. Here you see Thjórsá river, and that's where I filmed it, here next to the ocean. There are two towns, Stokes and Eruption. That's where lava entered the ocean. I was next to Stokes lighthouse, and now I'll show you also a drone video from that area. The town of Selfoss, which is here on Thjórsá, is also built on that lava. Very narrow flow, but extensive lengthy flow for that stretches for 130 kilometers. Yeah, this is the largest lava field in Europe in post-glacial times after IceAge in Holocene, and the largest on-land lava in Iceland that we know of. It covers over 900 square kilometers. Yeah, the biggest lava field is here and between Thjórsá and Thjorsa rivers. Thjorsa river here to the right side is the longest river in Iceland, named so after Thor, the river of Thor, and Thjórsá here is the biggest in terms of the volume. So lava traveled between those two most important rivers in the south of Iceland and created this lava bed here next to the ocean. Now it's all overgrown with grass, so you can't really see the lava, but you can see the lava right next to the ocean. And now we will take the drone into the area and we will take a look at this lava field. Yeah, that's where it arrived from. Here we have the biggest lake in Iceland, called Þórisvatn, in the middle of Iceland, and the Thjorsa river, the longest river in Iceland, originates here slightly to the left side, and it erupted here at Vatna Öldur, Veidivötn. is also called. That's where it originates from. Barðarbunga volcano, the most famous volcano in Iceland probably, which generated the biggest flow in Iceland. I'm taking off from the lighthouse in Thjórsá. I will tell you a little bit more about this incredible lava flow, the largest lava flow in Iceland, Europe, probably in the world in terms of the size. In post-glacial times, it means in Holocene, after the Ice Age ended 9,000 years ago. So in Icelandic it's called Thjórsá Mikla, which means the great lava of Thjorsa river. It is the largest lava flow in Iceland by both area and volume, and the largest lava flow that is known to have erupted in a single eruption in the Holocene. Thjorsa lava has a total volume of more than 25 cubic kilometers and covers the area of approximately 900 square kilometers. The numbers in different sources differ. Some provide 975 square kilometers, anywhere between 900 and 975 square kilometers. That is about 350 square miles. The Thjorsa lava does not appear on the surface until 70 kilometers, that is 43 miles, downstream of its identified eruptive area. In the lowlands of south of Iceland, the lava has overflown wide areas covering the districts of Landsveit, Núpaverja, Hrepur, Skeið, and Flói. The main rivers of the south of Iceland, Thjórsá and Hvítá or Ölfusá, stream along the borders of this lava to the east and the west of the lava bed. In the 25 kilometers long beach between the river mouths of two rivers is formed by the lava. The sea level seems to have been around 15 meters lower than today when the lava was erupted. Along with the rising sea level, the ocean has transgressed the lava front, so its borderline is submerged now several hundred meters offshore, and its littoral zone can be inspected along the beach in Thjórsá and Barðarbunga here, as you see on the drone video. The towns of Selfoss, which is the biggest town in the south of Iceland, Barðarbunga, Thjórsá, are built on that lava. The Thjorsa lava erupted in the Veidivötn region, central Iceland, 8,600 years before. It says BP. It means 6,650 years before Christ, plus minus 50 years. It belongs to a group of lavas known as the Tungnau lavas and is mostly covered by younger members of them. More eruptions in that area, and there are newer lava covering that lava on the top. The crater area itself is also covered by younger lavas and there are newer eruptive fissures. One calculation of its area is around 970 square kilometers, which is around 370 square miles. The thickness is about 26 meters, 85 feet, and volume therefore is close to 26 square kilometers. The Thjorsa lava is plagioclase porphyritic with large light-colored feldspar phenocrystals sitting in a dark fine-grained ground mass. The plagioclase and the host lava are unrelated and developed from two distinct mantle origins, with the feldspar plagioclase xenocrystals coming from a magma chamber. At least lava is called Thjórsá in Icelandic, the lava of Thjorsa river. Thjórsá means Thor's river if you translate, and it is the result of the greatest lava flow on Earth according to some sources since the end of the last ice age. So it's not only the biggest lava flow in Europe or Iceland, on the globe, on the planet Earth in modern times, let's put it so. The lava came from an enormous eruption around 6,700 BC, possibly in Heljargjá Canyon in the Veidivötn region in Iceland's highlands. The lava's extreme temperature and fluidity contributed to its flow being at least 140 kilometers, 87 miles, until it was stopped by the waves of the North Atlantic Ocean. The lava is well visible by Stokes area, as you see here in the videos, and Eyrarbakki's coastline. The Great Thjorsa Hroin lava is approximately 975 square kilometers according to this website. That is 376 square miles, and its volume is 25 cubic kilometers, 6 cubic miles, coming from a magma chamber at least 9 kilometers deep. The host lava is tholeiitic basalt composition, is within the range of values observed for the lavas of the Bardarbunga volcanic system. Enjoy the rest of the flight. Now let's take a better look at this lava itself, which you can see right next to the lighthouse in Stokes area. If you walk a few hundred meters towards the ocean, then you can find this lava there, and it's super interesting because of the abundance of big chunks of crystals, and this lava arrived from super deep reservoirs, at least 9 kilometers from the mantle, and it has very big chunks of phenocrystals, xeno and phenocrystals as they call them. As you see here, they almost look like gold in the lava. Super interesting, but better to come here on a good weather day, because when lava is wet you can't see the crystals well. So I hope you enjoyed this short video. I wish you all the best, peace and blessings from Iceland, Stokes area, Iceland.